Hey guys, Rich DeSclafani here. I am the owner of RDVFL, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the full radio replacement that we have for Bentley. We cover from 2004 to 2018 all of the Continental series, the Bentley Continental GT, the GTC, and the Continental Flying Spur. We have a beautiful complete radio replacement and infotainment upgrade for these vehicles with a 3-year warranty, and it's a beautiful fit and finish. This is a 2015 Bentley Continental GT Speed, and this has gloss black trim now, and this will be getting upgraded to full carbon fiber trim. So we went ahead and installed a carbon fiber trim radio replacement, and you can see the beautiful fit and finish. It is actually real carbon fiber. It's not hydro dipped, and it's not a sticker or a wrap. That's actually real carbon fiber that the trim is made of. And if you want to hop in, we'll go over some features. So we have a beautiful HD display here, obviously. Like I said, it's real carbon fiber, so looks beautiful in here. It's gonna match beautifully with the new carbon fiber trim that they install. And I mean, this thing's packed with features. It really does everything. You can download any video streaming apps you want to this. YouTube, Netflix, there's already Disney on here. You use satellite radio through here. Add a front camera as well. You can download any other video streaming apps you want to it. Full suite of video streaming, AM, FM. You know, this thing has everything in it built in. You can download whatever apps you want to it. This also has wireless CarPlay, which you access here. This is your wireless CarPlay. Also has wireless Android Auto, which you access right there. So you have wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It has wired as well. You could plug in. There's 2 USB cables, and there's also a SIM card slot down here below the radio here in the pocket. And this allows you to plug in for CarPlay or Android Auto. Also allows you to get a SIM card, a GSM based SIM card, and you can have full internet connection always. And you know, you could use whatever apps you want. If you want to use the built-in Google Maps, you could use that. You could use Google Maps through CarPlay or Android Auto. You have your weather here, Pompano Beach. This is where we are. So you see this, you know, beautiful layout. You can adjust this, modify this as well, and customize the background and the layout. So really nice solution. You have all your AC controls here. If you want to utilize the AC controls, you bring it up on full screen here, and you have your full AC controls here. Automatic AC, obviously your temperature, your heat, everything's right there for you. You could get into everything right there, and it automatically times out if you're not using it, which is a really nice feature. And then you have your shortcuts here for all your climate controls as well. So if you don't want to open it up and have the full screen controls, you can just use the controls from here. Additionally, you have these hard buttons here for your AC controls and your climate controls as well, and that will turn it on and off and start your fan up. And so you have a whole bunch of settings here as well, which allows you to navigate the radio with some hard buttons. So beautiful solution. Check it out at rdvfl.com or give us a call.